Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Clicks. In this video, I am teaching Linux in a very simple way. So don't worry, I'll make detailed tutorials on everything soon. So today we are going to understand Linux, what it is, why it is so popular, and where it is used. So let's get started. So the first thing is, what is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system created by Linux Towards in 1991. Basically, it powers servers, Android, cloud, IoT devices, routers, and many modern technologies around us. Unlike Windows or macOS, Linux is fully open source, meaning anyone can view it, modify it, and customize it based on their needs. This gives complete flexibility, control, and freedom, which is why Linux became the backbone of today's IT world. Now that you know what Linux is, let's move on why Linux is so popular. So Linux is extremely popular for several reasons. The first thing is stability. It's highly stable because servers running Linux can operate for months or even years without a reboot. And the second one is security. It's it's secure because of its permission model and community driven development. Linux is fast, lightweight, and performs well even on older hardware. The community support is massive with millions contributing to improvements. And the best part is Linux is completely free. Most importantly, almost 90% of cloud servers in the world run on Linux, making it essential for DevOps, cloud, and IT careers. Next, let's take a look at different Linux distributions. Linux comes in many versions called distributions, each designed for different purposes. Some are server focused, some are for beginners, and some are built for security testing and customization. Popular distributions include Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Kali, and RHEL. Now let's move into core Linux commands. Linux becomes powerful when you start using the terminal. Here are the important commands and what each one is used for. So the first thing is ls. Ls is basically used to list the files and directories in the current location. cd. cd is used to change from one directory to another. And the second one, the third one is pwd. It is used to display the full path of your current directory. cat. It is used to view the content of a file directly in the terminal. mkdir. mkdir is used to create a new directory or folder. rm. rm is used to remove files or directories from the system. sudo. Sudo is used to run a command with administrator and root permissions. chmod. chmod is used to change the permission setting of a file or directory. And the next one is cp. cp is used to copy the files. Okay. So on the next one we have mv. mv is basically used to move files and rename the files. ch1. ch1 is used to change the owner or group of a file. grep. grep is used to search for specific text or patterns inside files. wc. wc is used to count lines, words, and characters inside a file. sort. Sort is used to sort lines of text in alphabetical or numerical order. unique. Unique is used to remove duplicate lines for a total file. tar. tar is used to create or extract archive files. zip. Zip is used to compress files into a zip format. Unzip. Unzip, it is used to extract files from a zip archive. In the next one, we have DF. DF is basically used to show disk usage and available space. DU. DU is used to show how much space a file or folder is using. Top. Top is used to view running process in real time. TS. TS, it is used to display current running processes. Kill. Kill is used to stop or terminate a process. Uptime. It is used to show how long the system has been running. The next one we have ping. Ping is used to test network connectivity to another systems. Duplicate. Duplicate, it is used to download the files from the internet. Curl. Curl is basically is used to fetch or send data to URLs or IPs. Sorry, APIs. The next one we have SCP. SCP, it is used to securely copy files between systems. rsync. rsync is used to synchronize files between machines. Hostname. Hostname is used to show or change the system's hostname. Netstat. Netstat is used to display the network connections and ports. ifconfig. Ifconfig is used to view or configure network interface details. Environment. Environment is used to display environmental variables. Systemctl. It is used to control system services like start or stop. Who am I? Who am I is used to show the currently logged in user. The next one we have export. Export is used to set environmental variables. Don't worry, I'll take you through all these commands in these upcoming videos. Now let's see where Linux is used. Linux is used everywhere in the tech industry. It runs AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud servers. It powers Docker containers and Kubernetes clusters. Most DevOps tools like Jenkins, Git, Ansible, and many other tools run on Linux. Networking devices, firewalls, and routers are built on Linux. It is widely used in cybersecurity, penetration testing, and ethical hacking. Now let's wrap up with a quick suggestion. Start practicing Linux regularly, get comfortable with the terminal, learn the basic commands, and slowly explore scripting and server administration. Linux is foundation for DevOps, Cloud SRE, containers, and Kubernetes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DevOps Clicks. Thank you.